welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko, sending my greetings to you from Tamale, Northern Ghana. Once again, today we are at the funeral of one of the chiefs of the community. That is Mbadu Hanawulana's funeral. So these are the warriors, displaying their drumming and dances. Our women are very brave. And they don't even fear gunshots. They are dancing the warrior dance. That is a typical Dagbon tradition. This woman has the warrior spirit. This particular woman who is dancing has the warrior spirit in her. So they have to take care of the dance. That's the warrior spirit. They have to release her to dance. So the guns they are firing is not live bullets. It's made from gunpowder. So this is the palace to the elder who died, whose funeral is being performed today. So Brother Kubli is dancing the Gonje dance. This particular type of the Gomba dance is originated from Nigeria. the oral historians praising the chiefs who are present at the funeral. A chief is arriving at the funeral just right Typical Dagomba warrior dance. So the regent of the transition's ancestor, that is the transition chief, is coming out to do what we call circumambulation of the palace. That is the regent. This one is the eldest grandson to the deceased ancestor, and the lady is the youngest granddaughter to the deceased chief, to the deceased ancestor. So they are going to go around the house 3 times. They are going to go around the palace 3 times. With the heart is the eldest daughter to the chief. Okay, family, it is today that they're going to give a final dance salute to the chief. Also, put an end to his funeral. That is today the final funeral rites of the chief. So, on behalf of all the people in this community, I say a very big thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best. Going around the house. So all these people who are here are family, friends, sympathizers, and people in the community. So thank you so much for watching. Till we meet again next time. It is me, your brother Prince Ayoko, saying a very big thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best. And I pray that the Almighty God will continue to unite us and bless us, as well as blessings from the ancestors. Peace.